The next Galaxy Unpacked event from Samsung is scheduled for Wednesday, July 9th, with a 10 a.m. Eastern Time start time. The debut of the Galaxy Z Fold 7 took place at around the same time as this year. In order to surprise participants, the event is anticipated to include a full-on render, color details, and design revisions. A somewhat broader external display, lower bezels, and a flatter, more contemporary shape are all anticipated features of the Fold 7. When unfurled, it may measure just 3.9 millimeters, according to rumors, making it Samsung's thinnest foldable to far. Blue Shadow is a new color on the Fold 7 that appears high-end without being too dramatic. As a result, the Fold 7 looks even more stylish. A more conventional punch-hole camera, like those seen on more conventional flagships, may replace Samsung's under-display camera on the primary screen. Some users may find this to be a trade-off. They will like sharper selfies and better video calls, but will miss the cleaner appearance. Expectations are simple in terms of performance, with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 CPU powering the device, RAM choices beginning at 12 gigs, or potentially 16 gigs for the top-tier model, and storage starting at 256 gigs, with the possibility of 512 gigs or even 1 terabyte variations. The more recent and efficient processor is also anticipated to boost batteries. Although it is uncertain whether S Pen support will have a built-in slot this year or continue to operate as a separate case, it is anticipated to be supported. Overall, Samsung is preparing for a busy event, and the Fold 7 seems to be a positive path. It is bolder, slimmer, and resolves some of the consumers' complaints, including the clunky feel when folded and the quality of the UDC. Samsung's next Galaxy Unpacked event is anticipated to be a year-end highlight, with the Fold 7 representing a major breakthrough in the foldable industry. Await further leaks, first looks, and unexpected teases from Samsung. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.